What's up, bros? Welcome to the Sms-man channel, and now I would like to talking about Monese. Firstly, what I wanted to say, it is the British company that was established with the aim of providing money transfer services. The company has developed a financial application that provides an opportunity to create an account in pounds sterling, a European currency, and lira. At the moment, the company exists in 31 countries and operates in all these economic zones. According to conservative estimates, in January 2020, the application was used by more than 2 million people. Well, and now I would like to talking about how to create a Monese account. Firstly, in the world of modern technologies and advanced viral transfers, creating a virtual account in the Monese application will be the right solution for a more convenient and easy use of funds. There are many ways to do this, but we are interested in the safest and most convenient. Meanwhile, to do this, we will need the services of the Sms-man company, and now I will explain why. Obviously, the method is very simple. It will take you 3 minutes to open a profile in Monese. So, download the Monese application for your operating system. Secondly, open the program and select the registration item. Thirdly, we are offered a large number of ways to register. We are interested in the top one: enter phone or email. Enter the date of birth. A field for entertaining a phone number appears. Turn off Monese for a while and go to the website Sms-man home. Registration Sms-man. We pass a simple registration on Sms-man.com. Payment Sms-man. To go to the main page and select the payment item in the top menu of the site replacement of the Sms-man account. We replenish the account in a convenient way. Find and buy number. Go to the main page and select the service Monese. Select the number and confirm a receipt. Copy it to your personal account and paste it into the registration field in the Monese application. We return to Sms-man.com and click on the Get SMS button. Copy the code and paste it on the Monese application. Finally, you can easily use the application and make financial transaction quickly and easily, anytime and anywhere. We wish you good luck. Bye.